Welcome back to Hidden Toxins. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has been making waves for decades: the connection between vaccines and autism. Stick around, because we're going to explore the history, the science, and the cover-ups that have shaped this contentious debate. Remember, the truth is out there, and it's our mission to bring it to light. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with thimerosal, a mercury-based preservative once widely used in vaccines. Mercury is a known neurotoxin, and studies have linked its exposure to neurodevelopmental disorders, including autism. The CDC maintains that mercury levels in vaccines were safe, but independent researchers have raised concerns about cumulative exposure, especially in vulnerable populations like infants and children. A study published in the Journal of Toxicology and Environmental Health found that even low levels of mercury exposure can lead to autism-like symptoms. Another study in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found a significant association between mercury exposure and autism. But mercury isn't the only ingredient in vaccines that's raising red flags. Aluminum adjuvants, formaldehyde, and foreign DNA have all been implicated in autism and other neurological disorders. Alumina, for instance, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and accumulate in the brain, potentially contributing to neuroinflammation and autism symptoms. A study in the Journal of Inorganic Biochemistry found that aluminum adjuvant exposure can lead to neuroinflammation and autism-like features in mice. Another study in the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine and Biology found elevated levels of aluminum in the brains of autistic individuals. Now, let's talk about vaccine safety studies. Critics argue that many of these studies are flawed, underpowered, or biased. The Institute of Medicine, S. 2011, review of vaccine safety studies found that many had methodological limitations that weakened their conclusions. A study in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found that many vaccine safety studies have small sample sizes, short follow-up periods, and lack proper controls, making it difficult to draw definitive conclusions. But perhaps the most compelling evidence suggesting a link between vaccines and autism comes from whistleblowers. Dr. William Thompson, a senior scientist at the CDC, has alleged that he and his colleagues omitted crucial data from a 2004 study to conceal a link between the MMR vaccine and autism in African American boys. Dr. Thompson has stated that he regrets his role in the study's manipulation and has called for further investigation into the link between vaccines and autism. The prevalence of autism has skyrocketed in recent decades, from around 1 in 10,000 children in the 1970s to 1 in 44 children today, according to CDC estimates. This dramatic increase coincides with the expansion of the vaccine schedule, leading some to question whether vaccines may be contributing to the autism epidemic. The CDC itself now says there is not enough evidence to say that vaccines don't cause autism. The HHS will be funding research to actually see if they do or do not. So, what can you do to make informed decisions about vaccines and autism? First, empower yourself with knowledge. Explore the resources in the description for more information. And remember, the medical-industrial complex has a vested interest in maintaining the status quo. So much of the information regarding vaccine safety is censored or hidden from the public. By seeking out alternative viewpoints and supporting your natural immune function, you can make the best decisions for your health and the health of your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more truth-seeking adventures. Until next time.